there was conflict with other people, you know, with your person. So whether, you know, it was family that stood in the way, family and friends that stood in the way, associates, love interests, whoever, I feel like that was the interference between the two of you. And now this person, they freed themselves from those individuals or that particular individual because they do want to come back towards you and work things out. But they feel like at this point, there's no way that they're going to be able to work this out with you. You know, that's how they're thinking. See? I feel like they definitely do want things to improve with you. See, the Hierophant almost tried to jump out reverse. I'm telling you, this person feels like they're not going to have a commitment with you. Tell me more. Yeah, see? That's why they don't even have the strength to come towards you. And the strength card landed right on top of this could be the one. So I'm telling you, this person knows that they're meant to be with you. But there were a lot of people in your business, you know, standing in the way. So I'm seeing here that this person, they made a decision. Tell me more. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Leo. Look at that. I'm telling, the fact that I'm seeing 2 3s, there was definitely a third party here, guys. There definitely was. This person, they made the decision, something says switch this, hold on. They made the decision to remove themselves from a third party situation in order to start over with you. Because they want to move in a new direction with you. But some of them, this could have been family. Or some type of family situation that took place that they had to get out of. But now they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have wish fulfillment with you. You know, because they entertain, you know, family, or they listen to family, or, you know, there was some type of, like, love interest that was just in the way. Take whatever fits for your situation. See, this person in the past, I feel like they were juggling between you and whoever, you know, this situation is. But I feel like right now they're not juggling. They're just trying to decide how to come back in, how to fix things with you. Tell me more. Yes, see, I'm telling you. I'm talking to someone because they're going to take a leap. Capricorn, they're going to take a leap to come back and work things out with you. Some of you guys, if you're not talking to this person, I do feel like communication is coming in. I feel like they're going to ask you out. They're wanting to take you out. Tell me more. See, I'm telling you, they want to balance things out. They choose you. Ooh. Capricorn, okay, this looks good. See, this looks really good, Capricorn. This person definitely wants to have a victory with you. Tell me more. This looks good. But see, that's why they're worried, because they left you out in the cold. I told you. They ghosted you because there was other people involved here, friends, family, love interests, you know, and they left you hanging. They put others before you, and that was the problem, see? That's why they feel like the seeds they planted, they're not going to grow, because of how they treated you. But I'm seeing here that they are using their intuition. Capricorn, see? It's like they're listening to their intuition because they know that they have to come back towards you. Remember I told you Spirit is saying they have to make the effort? Some of you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, another Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I'm feeling like they're afraid that you don't want to put any more time, effort, or energy into them once they come back. Yeah, because see, in the past, I feel like they were being a player. You know, they had that in and out energy. And see, that's why they can't sleep. Because they're worried. They don't know what you're going to say. They don't know what you're going to say, how you're going to react, if you're going to reject them, if you're going to take their offer because of what they did in the past. You know, see, there's some type of family situation here going on for a lot of you. It's family. Some of them could have gotten involved with someone else and had a child, children. There could have been family, but, you know, with a love interest. That's why I said I'm seeing it a few different ways. But I'm seeing that this person definitely wants to move things forward with you because they see themselves having a future with you. They definitely do want to have this new beginning with you. Clarify, the Empress. Yeah, but see, they know that you want the truth. You want the truth about whatever this family situation, whatever this situation is, you want the truth. And they know it, but they feel like you're going to go off on them. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Yeah, and see, that's why they're dragging their feet to tell you, because see, if they come back, they have to speak their truth. They have to open up and tell you everything. And they don't know how you're going to react to this, because it is some type of family situation going on. Some of you guys could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But this person definitely wants to have a new beginning with you. Look, I'm telling you, they want this new opportunity, but they're afraid you're going to reject their offer. Tell me more. See, they want stability with you, but whatever situation was going on that I keep picking up, like I said, friends, love interests, family, it's an individual, or there are multiple individuals that I feel like your person was helping, they were taking care of, and this person is still trying to hold on to your person because of a financial obligation. It's something that they want. Tell me more. Because I feel like the person on their end is very controlling. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries here, but I do feel like your person wants stability. You see what I'm saying? Look at that. Somebody could have been dealing with a Libra. Why did I just hear court? That's sorry, y'all. I know I'm getting quiet. I heard that one loud and clear for someone. I definitely heard court. I know you guys want the truth, but I heard court for someone. Tell me more. See, and even the Five of Cups just tried to come out. I'm telling you, somebody's afraid that they may have to go to court because of, you know, if this was like a love interest, kids, whatever the case is, they're afraid they're going to take a financial loss. Some of them, if it's nothing like that, and it's like family that they were helping, maybe they feel stuck in some type of like commitment towards their family, or they put their name on a bill, some type of contract, and they're trying to get out of it, but they're realizing like, dang, I waste a lot of money, or this person, you know, is bleeding me dry. Like, it's something here, because they're worried. What I see, that's why right now, a lot of them are putting their focus back into themselves, back into their money right now. Because they already know when they come back towards you, Capricorn, they're going to have to work really, really hard to win you back. They know this. And I'm seeing that they're coming out of being frustrated about it because they know what they have to do, but they're just moving kind of slow. They're taking the steps needed to head in the right direction. It's just that they're taking their time still. See, look. Right now, they're not moving forward with you just yet because there's something that they have to get out of. There's still something that they have to learn. Yeah, but they're going to walk away. Spirit is saying they will walk away from this situation. Look at that. There's the Devil reverse. I don't feel... Okay. I'm going to tell you what I picked up first before I even go into that. I feel like they're going to walk away from this toxic situation that they put themselves in. Capricorn, you could be dealing with another Capricorn, but what I also picked up is this person knows that if they don't hurry up and make a move, you're going to walk away from them. They know it's like it's a done deal. They know this. Tell me more. See? Right now, they're not confident. They don't know what you're going to say. I do feel like you're going to get an apology from this person. Yeah, because look, they want to start something new with you. They're making plans to come back. But see, they have to get out of some type of like home situation. I'm telling y'all, it's like, it's something revolving around family or love interest. It's something like that. See? Because they're responsible for taking care of someone or other people. It's like they have the weight on their back, you know, and they're regretting how they treated you, you know, how they just left you hanging. See? And right now, that's why they're not talking to you. They're embarrassed. They're embarrassed, and they feel stupid because they made a big mistake. See? There's the Sun. Clarify the Sun. I know that this person does want happiness with you. Yeah. See, some of them could be stuck in a codependent situation due to a child here. That's what I'm saying. It could be like, you know, mother and son, mother, daughter. It could be that they have a child with someone, but this is a codependent situation. For some of you guys, I was picking up, like, there could be children involved. That could be why I heard court. Because somebody is planning on taking someone to court. Could be for child support because they are leaving them to come back towards you. Tell me more. See, even the Two of Swords try to jump out. It's like they're stuck trying to make a decision. You know they want to get out of the situation, but they're trying to figure out how exactly to do it. What are they back and forth with? The Queen of Cups. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Clarify the Queen of Cups for me, please. Reverse. See? Back and forth with the Tower. Honestly, y'all, this isn't your energy. even when she came out, I was not picking up on you. This is the person that they feel stuck with. And this is someone's mother. This could be like a child's mother. You know what I'm saying? That's why I was like, I kept picking up family. There is something going on here. And the way the Tower just came out, your person is avoiding a Tower moment. They know what they need to do. They know they need to get out of the situation, but they're stalling. Some of them are like, they're still feeling comfortable. They're like, well, I weighed out my options. Yes, I want to be with Capricorn or Cross-Watcher, but I feel like there's a lot to lose, blah, 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 but there's going to be a shakeup. Something's going to happen. See? They know that they're coming to you, I'm telling you, but they have to give to this other person. They're trying to figure out how to balance both situations out. But they know that they stabbed you in the back, Capricorn. They know it. Some of you guys could have been dealing with an Aquarius. But this person just doesn't have any hope that you're going to take them back because this is kind of like not once that they betrayed you. It's like, I keep looking at all the swords. Like, this has been going on for a while, you know? But Spirit is saying this is their lesson. Now they're sitting back thinking about everything that they did to you. How they just left you hanging. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Virgo. And that's why they're moving slow. Yeah. They're still going through their lessons, guys. And they're frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good. The Chariot. Somebody could be dealing with the Cancer. If your person lives with someone, they're trying to figure out how to get out of that situation. Like, some of them are going to physically have to move. I feel like they do want to move things forward with you, Capricorn. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But they're afraid that it may be too late. They can't balance things out. This person knows the truth. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. They're afraid you're going to cut them off for good and you're not going to take this offer. Somebody is worried about their financial stability. See? This part, I'm telling you, somebody's afraid that they're not going to have a chance with you. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. And that's why they're not being positive right now. Okay. Look at that. Somebody has to remove themselves, from a third party situation. That's why I'm like, somebody is in like a commitment, a marriage. They're having to get out of something. Could be dealing with a Taurus here. Back and forth with the Seven of Pentacles. See what I'm saying? They had you waiting. Because they were unsure what was going to take place with their finances. But now they're getting to the point where it's like, you know what? At this point, I don't care. Like, I'm not happy. I have to get out of this. See? There's going to be a breakup. Somebody's getting out of a situation. Somebody's ending some type of, like, contract, a commitment. But in the meantime, I do feel like your person is keeping a close eye on you. Yeah, because right now they're moving slow. They're watching you, Capricorn. They know that they cause an imbalance. Could be dealing with a Gemini. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign. Look at that. See? There's two people. Water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But you see what I'm saying? There's two people. So this could be that they're moving slow, trying to figure out, okay, yes, I'm with him, or yes, I'm with her, but I really want to be with Capricorn or Cross-Watcher. So I know I don't want to be with the person that I'm with, but I gotta make sure I get out of the situation the correct way. I have to be very careful because somebody's getting ready to come after me. Now, in addition to that, I feel like somebody is watching you, Capricorn, because if you guys have been just, working on yourselves, you're out there dating, this person is afraid that you could have possibly moved on, and you're dealing with someone else. So they're trying to see what you have going on your end, because they're like, okay, do I still have a chance with him or her? They're having a hard time right now, see? This person is frustrated. They're frustrated. They're feeling stuck, see? Because they had other options, but I do feel like they're trying to make a decision here. They're trying to figure out what's the best way to go about doing this, because, yeah, they're sad. But I'm telling you, somebody's taking a hit financially. This person, I'm telling you, they're trying to figure out how to sneak away or get out, or, get out of this situation, basically. They're trying to figure this out. But I am picking up somebody is, on their end, they're trying to do something really sneaky to basically hit them in their pockets. I'm telling you, like, that's why this person was trying to avoid that Tower moment, because they already know what's going to happen. But because they were being sneaky towards you in the past, this is why they're afraid that things may not improve. So they are clearing away obstacles in order to be with you. But right now, it's like they're stuck trying to make a decision because, see, they were being very immature and childish towards you. There's judgment. I told you they're trying to make a decision. Some of them, if they are going to court, they're going to have to wait for some type of judgment here. And they're scared. They don't know what's going to happen. You know, I feel like it's even fear because they don't even know if you're going to take them back. Because remember, I told you they have to come back and give you the truth. See? Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. I'm also seeing a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But I'm telling you, there's somebody interfering here. And that's why there's little to no communication between you and this person. So I'm telling y'all, it's like I keep seeing the same thing. If this is not their mom or like some type of mother figure, this could be like a child's mother, a love interest, something like that. It's a lot of y'all take whatever fits, but this person is blocking, okay? They're still in the way, and this is why your person, they want to talk to you. If you're hearing from them, it's like here and there, but they haven't opened up just yet. Capricorn, that was your reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if it resonates. All right, you guys, I love you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Capricorn. Bye, Capricorn. Bye, Capricorn. Bye, Capricorn.